Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at Bitcoin and a few of the altcoins, taking a look at the general market. Just a quick update video. Not much has changed. The market's still pretty bullish. It is Sunday, early morning Sunday, and North American East Coast time. Bitcoin currently is at 46,328, and we are currently, looks like we're entering into an early consolidation phase. Now, this consolidation could stay between 45 and 47 for for a week, or or 2 weeks, or maybe only a couple days. We just don't really know. Now, I will say this, that the likelihood of this moving higher this weekend, or excuse me, this coming week, having a bullish week is very high, because remember in the last video I said that a pullback to the 30-day moving average line or to the mama line right here on the Mesa would be a test of whether Bitcoin is going to hold support or not. And usually this is a buy area, and I would be looking at that as a buy. Well, and I really thought that we would come down here and stay for a few days, right? Well, that didn't happen. We actually had a wick down to about 44,200, and it was purchased very, very quickly. Okay, right now the 200 daily moving average is at about 44,800, and the price is currently above the 200 daily moving average. This is very, very significant. Above the 200 daily moving average and in a green bull cloud on the Mesa, which we have both of those conditions met. That means that we are currently bullish. Okay, so we are bullish on this is the daily chart now. Okay, so we are bullish on the daily chart, starting a new trend here, a new bullish trend early in the bull trend. And macro trend, we are still bullish, and so everything looks really good, friends. So it just depends. We could have another push up, testing the 47.5, and maybe even pushing higher than the 47.5 right here, right? Or we could see a rejection at the 47.5 and then come right back down, retesting the 200 daily moving average, and which is, like I said, 44.9, 0.8, something like that, and just bounce around a little bit in this area. Okay, but we just don't know. If we have a bullish week coming up, we could be testing 47, 48. We could have a breakout. We just don't know. Okay, so what was significant is this price. When it dipped below the 200 daily moving average, it was purchased very quickly. So this is a very good sign, especially on the weekend, right? So I'll be looking for a dump. Sometimes Sundays you see dumps, Sunday evenings or even Monday. So I'll be making sure that there's no dump within the next 24 to 48 hours. If there is no dump, and or if Bitcoin starts moving up with a lot of buying pressure, then we could be seeing much higher prices. Okay, we could see a breakout above 47.5, and then if we get above that, that's going to be very, very good news. Okay, then most likely we would be testing 50k, 50 to 50 to anywhere from 50 to 52k. Okay, because that's where this breakdown area was right here. Okay, so everything looks good, friends. We did hit the overbought section on the RSI when we pushed up here. That's why we had a pullback. And so right now the name of the game is just hold above the 200 daily moving average and hold above 45k. If we can do that, then in my book it is a buy. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research and make your own financial decisions. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, but in my opinion, if this does stay above 45 and starts consolidating, I'm going to be buying that. Okay, now if it starts moving up real quick, I'll be buying that as well. If it starts pushing up with a lot of pressure, I'll be buying that move up as well. Okay. So that being said, Bitcoin looks good, bullish. Aave, overbought. You can see that we did hit, I think it was 90 RSI down here. We got the red line, which is severely overbought. And so I would not be buying this, not even with your money. But, hopefully it'll hold above 212. 212 is a 200 daily moving average. And below that, the mama line on the Mesa is 200. And psychological support below that 30-day moving average at 177. So, right now, a bit overbought. Just waiting for some type of a pullback, see where support is. And a pullback to support and some consolidation, in my book, would be a buy. Okay? So that's Aave. Aave has been overperforming. And I told you weeks ago, Aave was one to watch. ADA 117, currently under the 200 daily moving average, so we're not real severely bullish right now, but we are bullish, making our way up. We're just beginning a new bull cloud, so there's a new trend flip, and we just see a little bit of consolidation here over the last week. So if this holds above the 30-day moving average, which is about 105, 106, 107, then that's a buy. Okay, but of course Bitcoin has to stay bullish or neutral because ADA moves with Bitcoin very, very closely. So if Bitcoin dumps, ADA is going to dump. Okay, be careful. Algo is up 2.7%, and just in the beginnings of a flip. And if Bitcoin does continue with bullish behavior, then of course Algorand will then continue pushing higher as well. Okay, it did just come off of being overbought, but again, not a big concern because we're getting ready to flip into a bullish bull cloud. 200 daily moving average is the target, about 116. So as long as Bitcoin doesn't dump, then we could be pushing up to 116. All right. Taking a look at API 3, consolidation sideways for the most part. Could see a nice big pump like we did before at any time. It's really unpredictable. So this is one to watch, but very volatile, very risky. And if there's any type of pullback in the market, API 3 will pull back as well, pretty hard. Arweave, nice. It's actually over the last few days, over the weekend, over the last few days, has consolidated above the 200 daily moving average. So this one could be moving much higher. A break above 41 is going to show strength and a new high, and then it's going to be most likely pushing pretty hard up to the upside and continuing higher. Right now, 3.7% in the green. Atom up 3.5%, consolidating sideways above the 200 daily moving average. Looking good, looking strong. Audio up 20% on the weekend. Really? Asia is pumping this one. Looking very good. Right now, I wouldn't touch this one with your money because it's at the 200 daily moving average. And we've been here, done that before. You can see here above the 200 daily moving average, there was a rejection. So we need to see this come back, pull back or consolidate into a higher low. And that would be kind of like a right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then that would be a upside down, bullish, upside down, reverse head and shoulders, and then higher prices from there. But the market has to stay strong. Bitcoin has to stay strong. AVAX testing the upper resistance line of this consolidation area and looking good. Currently above the 200 daily moving average, well above the 200 daily moving average, and beginning a bull cloud. So if we can continue to see around the 95, 97 area, consolidation in this area, this price point, then that's going to be very healthy, very strong. But I would like to see a pullback down to about 86, 87, which would be the 30-day moving average in the Mesa Mama line. And so, we may get that, we may not. It may just continue breaking higher. This market is very bullish right now, so we'll just have to wait and see. But AVAX looking good. Axie Infinity just starting a new bull cloud and support with sideways consolidation, a little bit under the 200-day moving average, but a break above the 200-day moving average, which is at about 70, will be very bullish. Okay. Take a look at BAT, Basic Attention Token, currently up less than 1%, just creeping, and now we're seeing a bullish flip on the Mesa, and barely hanging on to the 200-daily moving average, which is about 89 cents. So we could see a pullback on this one. Wouldn't take much to pull back. 30-day moving average support 83, 84 cents. Okay, but it's looking good. It's in the process of turning around as long as the market stays strong. Blocktopia getting ready to make a bullish flip. Binance Coin holding 200 daily moving average, testing 200 daily moving average, and severely overbought right here, so we need to be careful. 30-day moving average support 417, so we could see a temporary pullback, or we could just see sideways consolidation above 430, 432, which is 200 daily moving average. But this one's looking good, looking strong. If the market continues, much upside for Binance Coin. And we're back to Bitcoin. Okay, so there you have it. I just want to review a couple altcoins just to kind of show you what's going on with the market, and to give you my update on Bitcoin. Again, not financial advice. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope you're having a great weekend. Remember, do your own research. Use proper risk-reward management, and proper risk management. Protect your investment. Yeah, there you go. I mean, if this market could go either way, we could have a pullback, or we could have a breakout pushing higher to the upside. In this market, it's more likely to push higher next week, and that's what I'm counting on. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, if Bitcoin holds above 45K, I'll be entering another position, expanding my position, and hopefully seeing a nice price increase next week. Thank you, friends. Let me know what your opinion is in the comment section below. What coins are you looking at? Did you purchase anything? Don't forget to take profits when the market's been up for quite some time. You don't have to take all of your profits, right? Just take small amounts of profits along the way. Make it a habit. That way, if the market does unexpectedly crash, that you are not holding the bag and in losses. Okay, it's a good habit to establish, taking profits over time. Thank you, friends. We will see you in the next video. Remember the #1 rule: do not murder your money. Bye-bye.